Welcome to OnlineMaths TV. This is a channel where you learn mathematics every day. Okay. Now we have a challenge on solving triangle. From the diagram, we are asked to find line BC. Now let's look at our diagram. We have A, B, C, D, and we have 90-degree in here. So how do we get line BC from this given diagram? So let's take our solution. So you have your solution. We look at our diagram critically. If we look at this, before we can get our line BC, then we must get this part, which is CD, okay, before we can now get BC. Now, let's consider triangle ABD, because we have two triangles here, ABD and ACD. So if we consider triangle ABD, so from here we now say from triangle ABD, okay, this is our hypotenuse, this is our opposite, and this is our adjacent. Okay, so if we use the relationship sohcahtoa, okay, if we use sohcahtoa, we're going to have here tan theta from this diagram. So from here we now have here tan theta equal to opposite all over our adjacent. Okay, that is the relationship. Now, what is our tan theta from triangle ABD? This is our theta. So this will give us here tan 30° equal to, what is our opposite? It's 10 cm. Okay, so we have here line AD, which is 10 cm all over, then BD is not given. So let's BD remains there. BD is not given. From here, we make BD the subject of the formula. If we do that, mind you, we are having this all over a visible one. So we can cross multiply. From here, let's proceed. Let's proceed from here. So if we make BD the subject of the formula, I'm going to have here line BD equal to 10 all over tan 30. So we have here 10 all over tan 30°. Okay, let's look at this. Here, your tan 30, or this expression could also be written as line BD equal to 10.1 all over tan 30°. I can change this, or I can rewrite this in this format. This is same thing as line BD equal to 10 cot 30°. Okay, because cot theta is the same thing as 1 all over tan theta. So if we apply this relationship, okay, let's say here we have cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 all over tan theta. So this is the relationship I use in converting this to this form. Okay, now from here, let's give this equation 1. Let's give this equation 1. Now, we now come to our diagram again and consider triangle ACD. So from here, now say from triangle ACD, we use the same relationship because here we have the opposite and here we have the adjacent, and here gives us our hypotenuse. So from here we're going to have here tan theta again equal to our opposite all over adjacent. Okay, what is our theta this time around? It's 45. So we have here tan 45° equal to our opposite still remains 10. So we have here 10 all over CD. CD. We don't know line CD. So at the same time, if we are to make line CD the subject of the formula, this will give us CD equal to 10 all over tan 45 degree. If I apply the other relationship again, this is same thing as 10.1 all over tan 45 degree. Okay, so if we go on with this, therefore our CD is equal to your 10 cot 45 degree. Let's label this equation 2. So now there is a kind of similarity between equation 2 and equation 1. Why? Because we are looking for BC. And once we can get BD, then we can subtract CD from BD to give us our BC. Okay, so let me bring out the relationship. From here, BC, we have here line BC is equal to line BD minus line CD. That is the relationship. Okay, to get this, we subtract this from the whole of this. So from here, let's continue from here. What is our BD? We've calculated for our BD already. Okay, so we now continue from here. We have here line BC. BC is equal to our BD is our equation 1. Okay, so from here we now have this to be 10 cot 30 degree minus CD. We calculated for CD already too. So equation 2. So we have here 10 cot 45 degree. Very easy. Okay. 10 is common here, 10 is common here. So we can bring that 10 to give us here 10 bracket cot 30 degree minus cot 45 degree. Close our bracket. What is cot 30 degree? From special angle, cot 30 degree is root 3. Because tan 30 is 1 all over root 3. So cot 30 is the reciprocal of your tan 30, which is root 3. And so this will now give us 10 into root 3 minus why cot 45 degree is 1, because tan 45 degree is 1. So the reciprocal of 1 will still give us 1. And so we have this to be 1. Okay, so therefore our line BC equal to 10 bracket open root 3 minus 1 cm. Okay, so this is the length. Okay, QED. All right, so if you have learned something good from this a simple challenge, drop it in the comment section, or you have a better way of solving it, also drop it in the comment section. Okay, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe, and when you subscribe, turn on the bell notification button so that you get notified, because in this channel we drop new videos every day. Remember, my name is Jakes Anema. I love you so much, and all of us at OnlineMaths TV love you. Bye for now.